Hi dear students, welcome to the second session of our first lesson. Last day we have seen the introduction of the lesson, the different methods by which the elevation of an area can be represented on the map, like hatchering, hill shading, form lines, spot height, triangulation points, benchmark, and so on. And we have seen how to interpret contours on the topographical map. What is contour lines, its definition, then again index of contour lines, then again essential features of contour lines, its spacing, what is the meaning of spacing. Then again we also have seen the different landscape which is made by using contour lines, a conical hill, how it is created, then again a steep slopes, a gentle slopes, how it is being marked, then again a ridge, its definition, then again we have seen a watershed or a ridge, then again we have seen a cliff, how it is represented by using topographical map, then again a waterfall, then again a V-shaped valley, then other features like a pass, saddle, col or cap, then again its images and so on. Now we have to see about the type of settlements or settlement patterns, then conventional signs and symbols, then we have to analyze how to read this topographical map. These are the things which we have to see today. Then again its interpretation, how to read it by using various information which is being given, or the legend, and the last part is the legend. These are the things we have to cover today. So let us start with the type of settlements or settlement patterns. There are different types of settlements. Here we have different type of settlements like nucleated settlements, linear settlement or scattered settlements are being given here. Before that we have to see some other settlements like temporary settlements or permanent settlements. A settlement which is being made only for a short period of time is known as temporary settlements, which can be either nucleated or scattered. Then again permanent settlements are being made for permanently for a long period of time. So here we have some other. Then again first one is nucleated settlement. These are shown in red color. Here one can see permanent huts in clusters with post office, hospitals, schools, temples and mosques. Then linear settlements which are being found in village areas, or again which is being found in poorly developed areas, like they are found in either side of the rivers or road. Then again scattered or dispersed settlements, they are being found in very remote areas. Here individual dwellings are scattered away from each other. Then again we have to see the direction with reference to this urban cities. Then again we have, as we have already said, the large size of cluster. So let us start the type of settlements or settlement pattern. A settlement is any form of human habitation from a single dwelling to the largest city. There are certain conditions which are required for the settlement of human habitation. So we said that a settlement is any form of human habitation from a single dwelling to the largest city. So it is an organized human habitation. There are certain conditions which are required for human settlement. First, water is compulsory for a settlement. A plain land where it is easy for constructing building and everything is very important. Then fertile soil is an important requirement. Then places of scenic beauty, nearness to mining areas, areas well connected by means of roadways, railways, etc. Then place of pilgrimage. These are the conditions which are affecting settlements. So based on these various conditions, we have got different types of settlement. First one is temporary settlements. The next one is permanent settlements. Temporary settlements are those settlements which are made for a short period of time, like how migrant laborers are making or how nomadic people are making. Such type of settlements are called temporary settlements. Whereas in permanent settlement, people make permanent dwelling and they live there for a long period of time. Then these permanent settlements are of different types. On the basis of their pattern, they are divided into three major groups. First one is nucleated settlement, then second one is linear settlement, and third one is scattered or dispersed settlement. In nucleated settlement, it is shown here like this. All dwellings will be collected in a particular point. These are the settlements clustered together in a group. Whereas in linear settlements, which are made on the either side of the river or on the either side of the road. Then third type of settlement is scattered settlement, which are dispersed in a large areas, or which are located in a large areas, and each and every dwellings, individual dwellings are having a greater distance between each other. Then here you see on topographical map how it is represented. See, nucleated settlement is represented there. Linear settlements are represented like this, whereas scattered settlements are represented on a large areas. So scattered settlements are mainly developing in village areas, whereas linear settlements are also getting developed in village areas, whereas nucleated settlements are being found not only in village areas, rather in urban centers. And moreover, it may have all the facilities like post office. Then again, temple will be made, temple can be seen. This all facilities can be seen in nucleated settlements. And moreover, means of communication, means of transport, everything is well developed in nucleated settlements. Whereas in linear settlements and scattered settlements, these are not well developed. Now we have to see how conventional signs and symbols are being used on topographical map. First we will see this permanent HUD or temporary HUD, then again nucleated, linear or scattered, and again some other symbols, many other symbols which we have already learned last year, like roads, then again car track, park track, then again means of irrigation and water bodies. Then again how contour lines and everything is marked. Then railways, different types of railway gauges and all. Then again you see here man-made features like temple, church, mosque and so on, and again vegetations, then again boundaries, then again height and relative depth and height is being measured. Then again human man-made features like post office, telegraph office, post and telegraph office, PES, police station. This everything is being given here, and this symbols are together known as legend. Now we have to see how interpreting topographical map. Topographical maps are called alphabetically numbered map. See here you see we can see alphabetical numbers. Moreover, in the last year we said that these are having a set of vertical lines as well as horizontal lines. These vertical lines are known as eastings, because these numbers are increasing from west to east. See here it is 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and so on. It is increasing up to 99, then 100, 101. So these numbers are increasing from west to east, therefore they are called eastings. Then another set of horizontal lines are being found. Its numbers is increasing from, here you see, south to north. Since it is increasing towards north, they are called northings. 73, 74, 75 and so on, it is increasing towards north, therefore it is called northings. Moreover, these two sets of lines together forms grids, and if you want to locate any place, we are using these numbers for locating that particular place. Suppose even if you want to locate this Rampura, one village, first we may say the eastings, then again northings, and this Rampura's location is 9580. 9580, that is the location of Rampura. So these numbers are being, these lines are being used for locating, and such grid is being made, and for easy identifying that particular place and all, we are using that grid reference. Then again you see here, we can see large number of symbols are being used, different type of small to big symbols are being used. So how to read this? You see rivers are being made, then bad land, broken ground is shown there, then again good number of numbers are being written over there. Then again last day what we have seen, you see watershed, or again a ridge is being marked there. So different symbols are being used. How to interpret it? So here this beginning, how to interpret it is given there with the reference of survey map 45 D by 7, that is the number of that particular map. Then again scale is given here, that is shown in representative fraction 1:50,000. 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000, means 1 centimeter representing half a kilometer, or it is given in bracket 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Then again sheet number is given, that is the number of the map. Then area showing Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is the area of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Then how it is being read? First you say height and contours are given in meters. So good number of numbers are being written here. You see here 271 is written, then again 269 is written. Last day we have seen spot height. See one small dot is made and 269 is written. Then again you see 364, a small triangle symbol is made, then 364. So good number of numbers are being written here. You see numbers 12R, relative height is 12R. Then again you see 217, like a very good number of numbers are written here. You see here contour lines are being made, and the height of that particular hill is being represented 542. Like these numbers are being written, and these numbers are used showing the height, and this is given in meters. So by saying this numbers, we can understand the general slope of that areas. Then second one, contour interval is 20 meters. Contour interval, good number of contour lines are being made, and each and every contour lines are placed at an interval of 20 meters. That we have seen last day, or we have studied last day, and each and every fifth line is marked in dark color, and that contour is called index contour, that we have studied last day. Then contours are imaginary lines, hence are approximate. They are not the exact values. Since they are imaginary lines, it is not giving the exact values. Then fourth point is water features are shown in blue, where they generally contain water. Water features are shown in blue color. You see here one river is made, and in the middle we can see a blue lines, which is indicating these rivers are perennial river, but during the time of rainy season it is having good amount of water, whereas it goes normally dry during summer. Then again other water bodies are being shown. You see here good number of blue dots are being given there. These are all perennial lined wells. So these water bodies are being shown there. So rivers are being shown. Then again general flow of rivers are being shown by using this arrow mark which is given there. It is showing the flow of river. Then again some blue dots are being shown. It is showing wells. Then next one, cultivated areas are shown in yellow, whereas uncultivated rocky areas are shown in white. So even if we generally see the map of this particular area of Rajasthan and Gujarat, we can see only two colors are normally being found, yellow and white. So this yellow color is representing cultivable areas which is used for cultivation, and whereas white colored areas are wasteland. See here, even if we come very closer, we can see good broken lines are being found, showing that it is bad land, broken ground. Then again you see here also white color is showing that it is representing hilly mountain areas, hilly areas which is rocky areas. Then sixth point is exterior boundaries are areas of reserved or protected forest are shown by green ribbon. Here now green areas are being found, but some areas are being earmarked as open shrub. Then again open scrub is being written over there, but now proper forest areas are being given. Then again 8R represent the relative height in meters between top and bottom of steep slopes or sand dunes. Even some sand dunes are being found in different places. We can see, you see here it is 16R is written. It is showing that it is a sand dune having 16-meter height. Then again here you see 11R is written, 11-meter height. 9R is written, which is showing 9-meter height. These sand dunes are being found in greater number. Then here 10R is written, it is having 10-meter height. Then again one depression is shown there, shallow areas, deep low-lying areas. Then 12R, that is another sand dune areas. So these are the numbers which are used for representing, and even these brown dots are indicating sand dunes. Then again wooded areas are colored in green, but prominent survey trees are in black. Wooded areas, wooden means forest areas are not being found in this map, but we can see good number of surveyed trees. See, this is a surveyed tree, this particular symbol which is being used for surveyed tree. Then one more surveyed tree is given here, this particular symbol. This is showing a surveyed tree that is also being found here. Then again one more surveyed tree somewhere I have seen here. Yes, this is a surveyed tree. So these surveyed trees are being found here as well. These trees are surveyed or numbered. Good number of trees are being found here. You see palmyra trees are being found. Here also it is being found, but they are not surveyed. These trees are surveyed. Then again a relative height, for example 30R against a well, tank or river indicate its total relative depth in meters. Relative depth or relative height, it is represented by using that symbol single R. Then here you see relative height is being shown, 13R is representing the relative height. Then in certain areas, in river areas and all, we can see relative R, relative depth is indicating 8R, indicating relative depth. Here also it is written. Then distance stones are along the road are in miles or in kilometers. On the road areas, sometimes we can see the length of the road, and it is represented by using distance stone, but it is not being found in this map. It normally being found Then tanks shown in dry this areas usually contain water from July to February. Tanks, this is a tank. It is dry tank during summer, whereas it is having sufficient amount of water during July to February, means it is seasonal tanks, indicating this area is receiving seasonal rainfall. Then again, cultivation is periodic and depend on rainfall. Cultivation is periodic. This itself shows that this particular area, since the presence of lined wells shows that this particular area is getting rainfall only during rainy season, and cultivation is also possible during rainy season. Then settlements are also being shown. Different types of settlements are being found here. This is a nucleated settlement. Here the symbol of temple is being found. Here also one temple. Here also one temple is being found. Here this is also a nucleated settlement. This is a nucleated settlement. Whereas you see here a linear settlement is being found. Then again, in this areas we can see scattered settlements. Here also, even if it comes, we can see nucleated settlements, but here it is a linear settlement. So different types of settlements are being found. Here also linear settlements are being found only on the side of the road, or again side of the river it is being found. So different types of settlements are being found. So in that way we are reading topographical map. Normally we can see good number of brown small dots indicating that this particular area is having good number of sand dunes and so on. With that we are coming to the concluding part. Good number of vocabulary is given. Please take a screenshot of it and go through it. Then again, summary of the lesson is being given there. I hope you got the image very well. So different types of words and its meanings are being given there. Please go through it very well. See, in this map we can see good number of forest areas. This green colored areas is showing forest areas. Then again, yes, this is milestone 20, 21 and so on, it is written over there. This is a very big settlement, PTO, Post and Telegraph Office, DB. Then again, causeway, temple, good number of temples are being found. Dispensary is there. Then police chowki is there. These are the settlements and its man-made features. Then again, another nucleated settlement is being given here. Then again, one more, you see perennial water bodies are being found there. It is a reservoir. Then this river is not a perennial river, so this construction is being made here. Then again, fire line is shown there. Fire line, which is a cleared areas protecting the forest areas from forest fire. Then again, the height is being mentioned over there. This entire green color area shows that this forest areas. Then again, some other settlements are being found. Good number of blue dots are being found, and along with some green trees are also being represented over there. Then white colored areas are also showing there. Different type of settlements are also being found in these areas. Here in these areas we can see good number of scattered settlement. Here also we can see scattered settlement. Nucleated settlements are being found. Lineal settlements are being found. Water bodies are being found. Then again, the normal height of that area is being shown here, 425 meter height and so on. So you can go through it. Then its exercise part is solved. Please read it and learn. Then again, tick the correct option is given here. The study the survey map of India 45D by 10, this particular map, and its all the questions are being given here. With that, we are winding up the lesson. Since there is no question and answer which is given there in the textbook, no exercise part is given there in the textbook, I have made few question and answers for you. Please go through these questions and its answers and write it in your notebook and learn. First question, what are condors? What are its utilities? That is a detailed answer, and its point-wise answer is written. Condor is a line on the map that connects points with same height above or below the sea level, and its features are being given. Topographical map use condor line to show the elevation. It shows the nature of slopes, whether gentle or steep. Then again, value of condor indicate the altitude. Pattern formed by it helps in identifying the relief features. That is the answer, first answer. Then answer, detail answer, second one. Mention the different type of settlements. Different type of settlements answer is written. Please write it and learn. Then again, second question continues. Then third one, write a short note on plateaus, cliff, waterfall and ridge. Answer is given there. Then some short answers are being asked. First one, what is topographical map? Its answer. Then write any two features of condor lines. Its answer also given. Please write it and learn.